to do with your hits. You're the best host overall, says Mr. Ron. Thank you, Mr. Ron. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you, dude. That means a lot for me. Thank you, Chepo. Hey, hello there. Haven't seen you for a while, by the way. Thank you, Chepo, for joining in, man. Hope you guys are having a wonderful evening. All right. There we go. KMR. Thanks, man. 50x cash in. Whoa. Can we get that? Come on. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Slow it down. 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 Stick it in. Stick it in. Stick it in. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. Oh, 15x cash in, guys. Come on. Let's get in there. Oh, man. Oh. Whoo! I was screaming my lungs out there a little bit. So the 100x with a bunch of 75x is the max multiplier, guys. Everything is multiplied by 15 times. Let's go. Here we go. 300x is 1,125. So, oh man, 1,500x. 1,500x is the max multiplier on a cash hunt bonus game from the top slot. Oh, here we go again, guys. Okay, everything is randomized. All you gotta do is like blind shot, out of pick, choose your own targets, like bam, 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 bam. Get them thing down there. Woo! Come on, baby. I don't know where to get it, but I'm looking straight at that ice cream there. That's not an ice cream, but I want to see that cupcake. I'm going for the cupcake over there, guys. Let's go. Come on. Show me. Show me the money. Show us the money. All right, I'm getting it 225, 750, so 132 people, 1,400 and 1,125 for 200 plus players. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Sheesh, 6,812 total wins, guys. We're gonna move
here again. So let's continue. Let's get you some more top slots and bonuses and numbers and everything. So here we go. Thank you, guys. I hope you're ready. Let's get going. Woo! Oh, coin for 50x. Come on, guys. Imagine getting it. That's exactly what you need, guys, right now. I'm hypnotizing the wheel. Coin flip 50x. I don't know how possible that is, but oh my, too fast. My first 50x on a bonus. I'm gonna cry, you guys. Finally, this day has come. Oh, get in. What's that gonna be? 1,000. Come on, we need 1,000 here. 150 for 1,000 for blue. Oh my guys. Please, that 1,000 is needed. Come on. Oh, get in. No, reflip, dude. Oh, this is disappointing, but it's still 150x though. Oh, come on, dude. We're so close. Oh my, well. New round has started. Best of luck. Get your bets ready. We have to continue though. Wow, that was a lot of emotions
finished.
There.
The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.